Robyn, as I stand here today in front of our family and friends, I make these promises to you. You truly make me the happiest man on the planet, and I'll always love you no matter what. You are my love, my happiness, my everything. I love you.
There are many words that I could use to describe the life and times of Jamie. He's truly one of a kind.
James, you've been a special part of our family for 9 years. Today we welcome you officially, and I'm proud to be able to call you my son-in-law.
Economy flooded deep Mexico. For a week you and me all alone. Until forever I had something that I know I need so bad. Yeah, I need your love so bad.
Robyn, you've always been very caring, thoughtful.
From the first time that Jamie mentioned your name, it was clear that you were the real deal.
We love you so much, baby sister, and we wish you the most wonderful marriage.
Today and always, Robyn, your dad is watching over you, and he would be so proud of you. To my beautiful daughter and her husband James, you're both about to start another chapter in your lives. I know there'll be many ups and downs which will challenge you both. You're a great team, and I'm loving watching your little family grow every day.
The love that you guys have for one another is truly one of a kind, and bringing Harrison into this world has not only seen you solidify that, but make it that much stronger.
We love you, and for goodness, good luck.
So I would love you to repeat after me as loud as you can. James and Robyn. We now pronounce you. Husband and wife.
Last but not least, my beautiful bride, my wife, Robyn. She's helped me when I was in the darkest times, but just her guidance, her love, I can't imagine anyone that I get to see when I go to bed and when I wake up in the morning.
James, thank you for being my best friend and absolute rock in every situation we face. Watching you become a dad has been so amazing. Harrison loves you so much and is so lucky to have a man like you as his dad. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you, and I can't wait to see what our future holds. Mercy, I love you.